Hello world, Pavik here, and I'm going to show you how to install Python easy and correct way in this video series, and how to manage different projects using different version of Python. So if you have Ubuntu terminal using WSL, you can check Python is by default installed there. So if you do Python dash dash version, usually it shows up by default. In Ubuntu, Python 2 is there, but in this case it's not there, so it's not showing anything. However, Python 3 is installed, so it is showing Python 3.10 here. So why do we want to install Python if it's there anyways? So as you know, Python is very versatile language. It is used in different fields that are completely different from one another. Like Python is used in data analytics, machine learning, AI, web development, cyber security, and if you want to do some desktop app, then there is a way to do it using PyQt. So having this kind of versatile language, you can have different varieties of projects. So what is the problem with this? So if you have all different projects, you might start installing different packages for different projects. So if you start installing packages without doing any package management, then it will end up in a default path of Python. So when you try to create a requirement file for a particular project, you will get all the packages from all the projects that you have installed. So what I meant by that is, if you are doing a project for data analytics and you want only NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, etc., if you try to create requirements file, you might end up getting Django and Flask as well if you have done any web development for that. So to navigate this issue, we must do package management, and in Python you can do it using virtual environment. So default way of doing that is venv. If you go to Python's default website, you can check those steps how to do this using venv, and I'll show you here in a minute. So you can do like this and create virtual environments, and it will create some kind of management. So you will have packages for that particular project using this mechanism. But now there is a different issue. Suppose you want to do web development, and for that particular project you want to use Python 3.6 instead of Python 3.10. So now you have Python 3.10 by default installed, so you might want to install now Python 3.6, and you will have to change the version and then install packages for that particular version. So to install different Python version, there is different mechanism. So you will end up using that to install just different version of Python. So version management is also there, and package management is also there. So it's quite challenging to do all those stuff. And I'm not saying that you cannot do it. You can do it definitely, and there are ways to do it. But why to do all those difficult stuff when you have an easier alternative? And the alternative is Anaconda. So with Anaconda you can do Python version management as well as package management.